Hello students, this is Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel, and in this series, this video number 4 from the chapter Square and a Cube of Class 8 CBSE Syllabus. In the previous videos, you have seen patterns in perfect squares. Based on that, in video number 3, we have solved some 7 sums. If you have not seen, please go to that video and watch it and come back to this video solve using patterns number 2. That means questions you are going to solve using the patterns only. As you have done in video number 3, this is going to continue. Shall I go to the sums? In exercise 1, I have made some questions in that. This starts with 8, 9, 10 like that, because in video number 3, I have solved 7 questions. In 8th question, if a number ends in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, is it always a perfect square? What they're asking, if a number ends with 0, 1, yeah, you know that all the numbers ends with square numbers. That means 1 square ends with 1, 2 square ends with 4, like that. The ending digits are only 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. That is 0. But this numbers, no 2 square like that. 2 square is 14, 12 square, 2 square is 4, 12 square is 144, like that it goes on. Will it be true for all? We have seen in the previous questions. Now what they're asking, if any number ends with 4, will it be the square of any number? That means if I take 14 example, 14, will it be a square of some other number? Means no number is a square of, that is, no square number ends with 14. That is, 14 is not a square number. Ends always a perfect square, means no, all the numbers ending with 4 are not always perfect squares. Similar manner, ending with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, always not a perfect square. For that, one more example also I can say, strong example, 1000. 1000, it ends with, as it ends with 3 zeros, it is ending with 0, but one more condition is there. What is that? Odd number of zeros are there, but it should be a square number, means it should be even number of zeros, hence it becomes false. So there are many numbers under this ending digits which they are not square numbers. Okay, next question, 9th one. Write 5 numbers such that by looking at their unit digits you can say they are not perfect squares. This is easy question. You know, one more type of numbers are there ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 will be always a perfect square. That means some numbers. But if a number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8, 2, 3, 7, 8 is never a perfect square. Ending with 2, ending with 3, ending with 7, ending with 8. So just like that you can write, they're asking 5 numbers. Write it 12, 13, 77, 88, 97, like this. Any number you write which ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8, surely they are not perfect squares. Please check, find the square root of this one and check whether they are square numbers or not. Next question, which of the following numbers have digit 6 in units place? Like this, previously also one question we have seen. So 38 square, is it having 6? 8 square ends with 4. 4 square ends with 6. Then one more number, 6 square also ends with 6, 36. 4 square is 16. and this is 36. So you know 4 square is 16, 14 square, 16 square, 24 square, 26 square, 34 square, 36 square. All the numbers will end with 6 only. Hence here you can say 8 no. 34 square means yes, 46 square means yes because it ends with 6. 56 square yes, 74 square yes, but 82 square is no. That's all. Now 11th question. If a number contains 3 zeros at the end, how many zeros will its square have at the end? Already I told in patterns in video number 2, 10 square is 100, 100 square is 10,000. Because 4 zeros will be there at the end. Then if it is 3 zeros, then it will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 surely. So here the zeros are very interesting. If it is having 0 square 1 0, it will be having 2 zeros in the square number. Square of a 2-digit number is 4 digits. Square of a 3-digit number is having at the end it is having 6 zeros. So how many zeros means it will be having 6 zeros at the end. Okay. Next question. What do you notice about the number of zeros at the end of a number? What you noticed? Yeah, this only 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 6 zeros at the end of the number of zeros. That's all. Will this always happen? Yes, sure. Okay, students. Now, next question you see, it's a little bit tricky question. What can you say about the parity of a number? Here, the new word parity is introduced. Pair means you know two numbers, same pair. Okay, 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3, like that, same numbers repeated. That is a pair or two numbers. That they are asking about the two numbers only. Pair means two numbers. What about the two numbers? And what is the relation like that? The number and its square. Now, what here? Just you take 1 into 1. That is 1 square equal to 1 into 1. That is 1 only. 2 square equal to 2 into 2. This itself parity. So, here 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square equal to 25. From this itself, that answer you can observe. Take this odd numbers alone, the parity is odd. Then what about even numbers? That is even. So for even numbers, it is coming as even. For odd numbers, it is coming as odd. That means the square of a odd pair number is odd. The square of an even pair number is even. Why I am using pair number? Nothing. Same only we ought to take 4 into 4 means that will become pair. So the square of a odd number is always odd and the square of an even number is even. That is the parity of a number. 1 square is 1, odd number square is odd, even number square is even. That's all. That is parity. I hope you enjoyed this part, video number 4, part 2 and video number 4. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to this channel, Math Beyond Marks. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from your Pragasam sir.